Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ZBCN on Trust Wallet. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up your wallet to completing your first swap. This guide aims to make acquiring ZBCN straightforward and secure, ensuring you understand each step. By the end, you'll be confident in managing your ZBCN tokens within your Trust Wallet, ready to explore the ZBCN network. First, ensure you have the official Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile device. After setting it up, carefully secure your 12-word recovery phrase. This is crucial for your fund's safety. Next, you'll need to fund your Trust Wallet with Solana or SOL, which acts as the base currency for ZBCN on the Solana network. You can purchase SOL from a centralized exchange and then transfer it directly to your Trust Wallet's Solana address. Now, let's move to the exciting part: swapping for ZBCN. Open the D-app browser within your Trust Wallet and navigate to a Solana-based decentralized exchange, such as Jupiter. Once on the exchange, connect your Trust Wallet. It's vital to find the official ZBCN token contract address to ensure you are trading the correct asset. Always double-check this address to avoid any potential scams or incorrect token purchases. With your wallet connected and the ZBCN token selected, enter the amount of Solana you wish to exchange. Carefully review all transaction details, paying attention to the estimated gas fees and any slippage tolerance. Once satisfied, confirm the swap within your Trust Wallet. After a few moments, your ZBCN tokens should appear in your wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased ZBCN.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.